What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're discovering again another amazing animation library in JavaScript for your project. So it's always nice to have beautiful animations on our apps, on our websites, because it just makes the user feel way more comfortable and way more convenient. Not to have things jumping around from left to right, but with a cool animation, it really makes your app really stand out in terms of user experience. So these are what these animation libraries are for. They kind of give us that feel. So today we're discovering motion.dev, which is a modern animation library for JavaScript, a robust animation library for modern web projects using JavaScript, React, or Vue. So make it move with motion. So let's see some examples. If we scroll down, we see powerful animation, create high performance animations with motion's ease to use API, from simple transforms to advanced interactive gestures. So here you can see some examples of those animations. Here you can control the sizes of shapes, you can control the dimensions, you transform elements, you can put some good animations for maybe your cards or list of things you have, and you can easily make things move around very seamlessly. As you can see, you can make cards appear, the information on cards can appear with some animations, and you can really control things. You can maybe add gestures as well. So as you can see, it has gestures, it has squeezing, and it has so many examples. So motion is supported by the finest in the industry. You have Framer, Linear, Figma, Emil Kowalski, Tailwind CSS, and many others as well. So I already see Vercel here, and just going through the website of Motion, it has kind of a Vercel feel with the black themes and all. So yeah, so they equally have, you can learn Motion through a couple of books that they offer here. They have a whole course. So this is a really developed framework. It's not just a lightweight library, but it's a really developed framework that offers even advanced features, as you can see here. If you upgrade to Motion Plus for lifetime access to premium APIs, an extensive library of examples, early access to new features, and a private Discord community, and more. So here you can see some advanced features, 100 premium examples, UI library integrations, private Discord, Motion Expert, Copilot, and so on and so forth. So here you have some examples where they showcase their different websites or web apps which have their libraries. As you can see here, some amazing animations. Yeah, so there's just so many, but you already have a glimpse of them here, and I kind of get the sense I've already seen some of these animations on some websites. I just get that sense, you see. So there's a lot you can do with this library, and definitely you should check it out. We are going to just look at some examples here to see what they kind of do. So they have the examples here on this page. It's kind of sorted out according to library, React, JavaScript, Vue, and many others. So let's just focus on those for React. See all React examples. All right, so let's go ahead and just open one. So as you can see, this is kind of one. Not much going on here. I'm not really sure where the animation is. Maybe there's an action I need to press, not sure. Let's just move on to the next. Here you can see bubbles, and you can drag them around. This kind of amazing, this beautiful. I kind of see me using this on one of my projects. Actually, it looks very interesting, and it's kind of playful. It's an amazing animation, I find. All right, so let's move to the next. Then here we have a square that we can control the aspect ratio and the width. All right, interesting. Wow, so with this motion, you can add all those, that smooth animation for the square. Yeah, so let's see another one. You probably have a toggle button that you can easily control. Wow, this is interesting for dark mode. Then you have also this input box. I'm guessing you can enter a number. Then what happens? Not sure. All right. So yeah, these are just kind of examples of what this framework is able to do. As you can see, it's smoothly transitioning between the colors. And you can imagine, you can see this on a project where you have a beautiful background that seamlessly transitions. So for all these examples, if you want their source code, you can easily just click on the source code button up there, and you have access to their source code. So you can easily do. So you have the style sheet and you have the element itself. So it's very interesting, easy to use. So this one is a color gradient and it's based on your mouse. So when your mouse scrolls through the screen, you can see the color kind of changing. Yeah, wow, this is interesting. How long is the source code for this? Oh, pretty short actually. Wow, this is an interesting framework. Should definitely check it out. So toggle position with a beautiful animation. Wow. So they have some amazing examples out here. I'm really impressed by all what it's able to do. You see, you can even change your cursor to look different. So if you click on this button, your cursor looks different. If I hover over the button, instead of my normal cursor, it's instead a circle. And if I come over the text, it has given me a custom cursor. Wow, this is amazing. It's a beautiful library. It does quite a lot, actually. So you equally have these options for the images to have a tooltip customized to your liking. Okay. And okay, kind of similar. Easily transitions. The tooltip appears with a different design and it easily transitions to the next. Okay, so here you have images that can appear when you hover. All right, so well, as you can see, this framework does quite a lot. You see, I even have some buttons that I can be playing around with. Yeah, so this is an interesting game. So you have buttons you can be playing around with. Wow, so this framework really has a lot going on for it. So it's definitely interesting. They have a whole, section for courses, which shows you that they have so much going on with the framework. It has been really developed to such an extent that I'm impressed by it. So it's just much more than just a simple animation library, actually. So definitely check it out. Give me your thoughts and impression, what you think about it. But so far, it's one of the best animation libraries I've come across. It really does so much, and it has been so developed to a crazy extent. So definitely check it out. So there you have it, motion.dev. You will discover this amazing library. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.